Are we a go?
Yes.
Okay, folks. We got challenged by Susan, the Hillbilly Chicken Wrench, to the hashtag Make Your Own Mayo challenge, put on by Good Time Homestead with Jen and Steve. So the way we're doing it, since Jen and Steve said if you never made it before, Mrs. Traveler is going to give me instructions on how to do this, and I'll do it because I never made mayo in my life, never really wanted to, but for you all, we're going to do this.
It's easy. Okay, you're going to start with put 1 egg in the, we're actually making blender A's.
So in here.
Mm-hmm.
Check it out, people. I got talent. Let me throw this away. I didn't get any shell.
Just making sure we ain't showing there.
I didn't get any shell.
Because I'll be the one eating the mayo. Okay, then we're going to start with...
Don't say McDonald's never taught you how to do something. I learned how to do that at McDonald's.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we need a cup of oil, and don't pour it in.
Is that good?
Fill it up.
All the way? I mean, oh, they did have it filled up.
Okay.
And we're using veggie oil.
Okay, now from that 1 cup, you're going to use a 1/4 cup. Take a 1/4 cup from that. It'd be laser pour it into the 1/4 cup and try to scoop it. That's not full.
Whoa, it's overflowing.
No, it's not. You're holding it sideways.
What am I doing with this?
I pour that into the blender. Okay, so you have 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of oil. You need a teaspoon of salt.
Is that this one?
Teaspoon be the second biggest one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you scoop it out. I know, it's your first experience.
You told me to pour it in earlier.
No, I didn't.
So put this in there?
Yes. Okay, then we're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper.
Is that the second to teeniest or the second to
The smallest. I can see how much cooking Dan does on a regular basis.
Put it in.
Yes. And also a 1/4 teaspoon of ground mustard.
That's this?
Mm-hmm.
That was the same spoon, right?
Same spoon.
When you have the best cook in the world, why do you need to cook yourself?
You're just saying that so I'll keep cooking.
I'm saying that because it's the truth.
Okay, now you're going to need 1 tablespoon. That's the a biggie. Vinegar. And pour it in. Pull off.
And this is just regular white vinegar.
Yes. I'm sorry.
What did I do?
Okay. And we're going to need 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can use all vinegar if you don't want lemon. I think it tastes better with lemon.
This way, right?
You might have to quarter it to get it in that squeezer. Depends on the size of the lemon.
Yeah, it looks like a quarter job. We got bigger lemons.
Love your cutting board. I know, I didn't say anything about a cutting board. Are you measuring that?
What did you say?
A tablespoon.
Oh. So squeeze it into a tablespoon.
Yeah, too much liquid is going to be soup. Mayonnaise soup. Do you need me to hold the spoon for you? All right, you got it.
See them guns at work.
Yes, dear. Now, put the lid on.
Oh wow, I got salt all over this thing.
Okay, push the button that says puree.
Oh,
And we'll let that.
milkshake.
Sure. Okay. Leave it on. Leave it on. Take this off. I don't know if they're going to be able to hear me, but take your rest of your oil and very slowly make a little stream and let it run into there till it's all gone. Slow, slow, slow. I'm going to let that run for a minute. It's picking up. Okay, let's see if it got thick.
Check Lucy out.
Good, check it out. Get a spatula here and see if it are on the wall. I'll get you one from the wall. See if it came thick. Hey, look at that. Beautiful. So easy. Even Dan on his first try can do it. You can do it. Let me taste it. Mm-mm. Good stuff. Sometimes I'll add just a little herb or seasoning just to mix it up. A lot of times I'll add paprika or a thyme, whatever you feel like.
You can see Lucy trying to find if I spilt any. So that is our entry into the hashtag Make Your Own Mayo for Hillbilly Chicken Ranch and Good Times with Jen and Steve, Good Times Homestead with Jen and Steve. And of course, I have, what happened? I have to say that if you have to use a cane, walker, whatever it is you need to use to help make your life better and do what you want to do, whether it be make mayonnaise or go for walks like we love to do, it's not making you handicapped, it's making you handy capable. Thank you all for joining us with this. This was fun. We hope you all have a great day. God bless.